Kinongilam bat kidukot jangka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC haka sauterik unailar kilapen pau Pyrshah ya kejingjur kejingsha banben ki Khristan hari India ha donbosco Square Light Kra. Kini kidukot jangka MPCC kilara de ki plakat ha kiba latho ya kejing penramjur ya kejingsha banben ki Khristan hari India. Kani kekenhun kelepen pau kejing Pyrshah kejing kem ya arngut ki sister na Kerala Reverend Sister Preeti Mary but Reverend Sister Vandana Francis ha ki dekhot ke Brajang Dal kekenhun buat niam Hindu ha Khuborjylla Chhattisgarh. Ye kini ki sister but yau Sukaman Mandavi na Bilaspur Chhattisgarh lap harap bagi de ki nongrong briu ki bertemu ban penkelan niam Jubor. Ki pulit Chhattisgarh ru ki la ailat ki Bajrang Dal ban talasi ki pelajung ini ki sister ha police station. Kayeng Kashri bekerpang jong ke National Investigation Agency NIA kala ajamin kini ki laingut ha ka artarik unailar. Kinoy lam bagi dekhot ke MPCC ki la dawan ke sorkar NDA balam khmat ke BJP ban pensange mardor ye kejingsha leben ye ki kenhun Khristan ha kari India barok kawai.
All of that. We really need to change all of that, and I think that should start with the public at large. We, especially in Meghalaya, where it's so cosmopolitan, especially in Shillong, and I think that kind of a change should happen from us, because only citizens can do the change. It is not the political leaders, it is not anybody, it is not religion. Nobody can bring the change, but it has to come up from our own hearts. It has to come out from our own thoughts. And I believe so that we stand here and we condemn against this injustice that keeps on happening, and the atrocities, because it is something that it will keep on culminating, because if somebody does bad to somebody, then somebody will do bad to somebody else, and we start looking at each other rather than having a friendship kind of an approach. People will start looking at each other with a lot of suspicion, and that's the kind of thing we need to stop in the society that we live in. Thank you very much. And
all the Christians and the other communities have been facing. It is not that a new thing that we are bringing. So many times different atrocities has been going on in different states. I feel because nothing should happen like this, which has been a violation of the Constitution of India, where the right for religion of everyone to believe in their own religion, which they feels like emotionally attached with. There is no forced conversion, and no one can force anyone. I feel like under the Prime Ministership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, which always call for Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao and Beti Sikhao, it is quite different which the narrative they have been given all along there, but they are killing the Constitution in the other way around. We have got the right to believe our own religion. We have never disturbed any religion as far as their religion is concerned. In Meghalaya, we have seen so many mandirs, so many Buddhist temples, and then Sikh. They are living peacefully here, especially in Meghalaya. We have never faced any problem with that. We welcome everyone because the provision has been given by the Constitution of India. So we will go by the Constitution. But somewhere and somehow down the line, the implications has been brought out for some political gain, which is not feasible. It is not nice for the country itself.
The Constitution yung kaay yang tak jingleh duit. Apro kalian. Mereka Jingleh jong ka kumusong di pulit seti bat kibrim berseti sport Chhattisgarh yang itu ki sesta ka penkenyo ka pensmit yang ipat sedi mar hidup cep bangi ini minority tekan ayu kan wanja seni hakini gisnam di banwan kadao ngawan hangni ban ai men sip ban penkendit penriu ki beliau jogi hangni kari ke baik batibreu tipleng bagini snok tilang baginum ailat kung gini jaj ban Khubor iya iba kugi missionary worker pati kiwi ru niam kumbalong sebok mo sandra mata Kia peacefully kaya tra ka jong ki nim thau. Te ka jinge jong ki nim thau. Ya ila. Te kumta ngarpat lang ya ka. Government ta penyesnok tilang. Bape ba kum kini ki jingja kinum ja syuk nang ni sekaman. Kuplay sibo.
Conversation. This is not just an attack of two people. This is an attack for the freedom of religion and humanity itself. Let us be clear that justice must be blind, not biased. Faith is a personal right, not a criminal act. And helping the poor, the orphan, the marginalized should not lie. To remain silent, watch injustice grow, or to stand up and speak out for truth. We choose peace, unity, and justice. We will not let hatred divide us.